Okay, this is how I prepare my fireplace prior to recording a fireplace video. First I grab a bucket, clear around the space a little bit, make some room to work, get the kindling out of the way. And then I start sweeping and cleaning up some of the soot and ash from the previous fire. And give it a good cleaning because it's important to have good airflow for the fire. It just makes it a little tidier and easier to record. Sometimes it takes a bit of time. Gotta scoop up quite a bit and can get very dusty. So I like to put into a bucket, and then from there I take the bucket and dispose of it in the garbage or just out in the backyard in the flower beds. And this usually takes a little bit of time. It's the biggest part of the preparation. Here I'm taking out the fire grate, the one seen in most of the videos. Ended up buying it because it fit the fireplace a little bit better. But you can usually see its outline in most of my videos. And with everything looking clean, time to put it back into the fireplace. Get it fit in there nice and snug. A little more tidy up here. Get some of that escaped soot or ash. Right next I lay out a few core logs to be the base of the fire. For these kind of fires I just put two together. Throw in a little paper. For a larger fire I'd usually put the paper under the grate, but just for videos lately I'm doing a quicker job. Just a little bit of paper in the middle, and that seems to be enough so far. Add a middle log there, just so it keeps burning, and then I start to add some smaller logs on top. Looks like I wanted to add a little bit more kindling before putting in the logs perpendicular. With that done, maybe I'll add one of these smaller logs and then add a little kindling on the very top. Again, a little perpendicular, and kind of just free placing it, because this stuff will catch pretty quick and burn quick once it gets going. The fire's pretty much set, and it burns all the way down to the larger logs. Then I grab the camera and set up the frame a little bit more to what I'll be filming. Try to get it focused straight on. I usually bring it in a little closer than this, but for this instant I just wanted to give a little demonstration. When I normally film, I'm usually getting up close, like this. Yeah, much closer, so it's mostly the fire grate and the fire itself. And when I'm ready to go, I'll usually just light the fire, let it burn a little bit, get the camera settings proper, and then I'll start recording clips for this channel. And that is basically all there is to it. Anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video doing a little demonstration on how I prepare to record these fireplace videos, and to demonstrate that the clips are indeed original and my own recordings. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.